Robots in warfare are no longer just a thing of science fiction. Today we're looking at the Czech Republic's newest technological leap, a fully autonomous ground combat drone called Hornet. This isn't your usual remote-controlled robot. This drone is unmanned, self-navigating, and powered by artificial intelligence. It can move without GPS, operate without constant human control, and support troops on the battlefield like never before. So what exactly is the Hornet? And why is it such a game-changer in modern warfare? Let's break it down. The Hornet is an unmanned ground vehicle, or UGV, developed by a Czech company called LPP Holding. It's a ground-based drone that doesn't need a driver. It can carry equipment, scout the battlefield, and even support rescue missions. The key thing here is autonomy. Unlike traditional ground robots, which require a remote operator, the Hornet can make independent decisions. It uses artificial intelligence to navigate through forests, hills, or war zones, avoiding obstacles in real time. In simple terms, think of it like a self-driving car, but for war. Now you might wonder, how does it drive itself? The Hornet uses a combination of sensors, LiDAR, cameras, and inertial navigation systems. What's unique is that it does not rely on GPS. This is important because in many modern wars, GPS signals are often jammed or unavailable due to electronic warfare, so instead it builds a three-dimensional map of its environment using LiDAR, similar to how bats use echolocation, and navigates using that data. All of this information is processed by a powerful AI system on board, which allows it to react and make decisions on the go without needing to phone home for instructions. Let's talk about how it's actually useful on the battlefield. Number 1. Logistics. The Hornet can carry heavy equipment like ammunition, food, or water for soldiers, especially in places too dangerous for humans. Number 2. Reconnaissance. It can move into areas where there might be snipers, mines, or traps, and send back real-time data to troops. Number 3. Search and rescue. After a battle, it can navigate the terrain, identify injured personnel, and even assist in extracting them safely. By handling high-risk tasks, the Hornet reduces the risk to human lives while increasing the Army's operational efficiency. Now you might ask, isn't this just another fancy gadget? Not quite. Autonomous drones like the Hornet represent a major shift in how modern wars are fought. Traditionally, armies needed large numbers of soldiers on the ground, but with robotics and AI, you can do more with fewer people. This also means smaller countries, like the Czech Republic, can build high-tech defense systems without needing massive armies. And because this drone doesn't rely on satellite or radio links, it's much harder to disrupt with electronic attacks, which are becoming more common in modern war zones like Ukraine and Gaza. The Hornet isn't the only example of this trend. We're seeing similar autonomous systems being developed for air and sea as well. From AI-powered surveillance drones to robot ships, militaries around the world are shifting toward what's known as the manned-unmanned teaming model, where humans and robots work together. In the future, you might see robot tanks leading assaults, drone swarms disabling enemy radar, and ground robots like Hornet supporting frontline troops. It's fast, efficient, and most importantly, it saves lives. But it also raises concerns about autonomy, control, and even accountability if a robot makes a mistake. So the Czech Republic's Hornet ground drone is more than just a cool invention. It's a peek into the future of warfare. With smart design, artificial intelligence, and true autonomy, it has the power to change how battles are fought and how soldiers operate. The big question now is, how quickly will other nations follow? And as we step into a future with machines in the driver's seat, who holds the remote control to peace?